way that I plan meals for 2 people where we get to have a different thing each night. I go to meal delivery service websites like HelloFresh, and I find recipes that I think sound good, like jammy red pepper chicken. And then, you guys, this is so bad. Then I go to another tab and I say jammy red pepper chicken. Sorry, you can probably hear me typing. HelloFresh. And then I pull up the recipe and I copy it. You get a full list of ingredients, you get how to make it, you get absolutely everything that you would get within the meal kit, but you don't pay the surcharge that comes with having the meal kit. The other website that I generally use for this is called EveryPlate, and EveryPlate is just the cheaper version of HelloFresh. So once again, I just go to their weekly menu and find something I think looks good, and boom, there you go. You'll have ingredients and you'll have directions, and you do show cooking steps. And I like to do this because it allows us to have something unique each night without breaking the bank by actually using these services. And we did use these services for a time, so I also have some of the physical recipes that I'll show you. But this is just a really easy way to plan meals for 2 people without having leftovers. So like I was telling you, these are the physical copies that we got when we actually used those meal services. They are awesome. I'll show you what they do. So this one in particular was super yummy, the crispy Italian chicken. It just has the exact same website information with the ingredients and then the instructions on the back. And they'll just make it super simple to make a quick dinner for 2 people. Another thing I like to do is big bags of frozen veggies, because you just throw that with the chicken breast and some rice and you're good to go. And then you can just freeze the rest, so you'll just have single meal portions. Another option that my fiance likes more than I do is frozen meals. These are super quick and convenient and are a single portion, but for me, I like experimenting with food, so I don't use these as much, but he does, and they're awesome. Another really good thing to do if you like baking is get little bread pans, because then you don't have to eat all the bread at once. You can freeze a loaf and then split this in half for breakfast for the 2 of you, and you're good to go. So this is a really short video, and it's all kind of just to prove to you that cooking for 2 people is pretty simple. If you want to go through Pinterest and find really big meals, it's good to find freezer meals, because then you can split out the portions and freeze them separately. Or you can cheat like I do and go to meal delivery services that are built specifically for 2 people and copy their recipes. Ultimately though, it really just depends on what you guys like, what your budget allows, and what you want to eat that day. If you want to do freezer meals for the convenience, go for it. If you want to make everything from scratch, including bread and cheese and whatever, that's awesome. If you're feeling lazy, you just want to grab something out of your freezer, make sure you have it prepped in advance. I'd say most importantly with cooking for 2 people, just don't get discouraged if you feel like you're doing all this work and it's just for 2 of you, because I sometimes feel like that because we have really big families in our neighborhood, and I'm like, oh my gosh, when they cook a meal, a bajillion people get to enjoy it, and when I cook a meal, it's just me and my fiance, but he always says thank you, he's very cute. But just remember that if that is your hobby, if you like cooking, if you enjoy it, then that's still something that you should be doing in your life because you think it's fun. And if you hate cooking, do freezer meals. Duncan wanted to be part of the video. So I am curious, what are your guys' best tips for cooking for 2 people? Let me know in the comments down below, because I need new ideas. Honestly, I'm getting sick of things I can freeze. But we also really don't like leftovers because we get bored and we like trying new recipes, or at least I do. I like cooking new things. So let me know, and thank you, buddy. And have a great day.